Learn to handle your snoring by following this advice. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. Your sleep position can greatly affect whether or not you will wind up snoring during sleep. Those who sleep on their backs tend to be more prone to snoring simply because that particular sleep position encourages relaxation of the throat, which can result in snoring. Try to sleep on your side, if possible, to help alleviate snoring. One way to help keep from snoring is to avoid tranquilizers at bedtime. While tranquilizers might help you sleep faster, they will also relax the muscles that hold your nasal passages fully open. They will contract partially, and air will have a harder time getting through, and you will snore. To stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. If you snore in the winter months, try sleeping with a humidifier. Sometimes very dry air, such as that we are exposed to in the dead of winter, causes a stuffed up nose. This makes a person breathe through their mouth and often results in snoring. A good quality humidifier will add moisture to the air and help you to avoid this problem. Keep your head elevated while sleeping in order to decrease your snoring. Try using a pillow that's extra thick. Also, you can stack two thinner pillows atop one another. This will keep your head more upright, which will increase your airflow, and can help reduce or prevent snoring. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.